Sometimes it's helpful to be able to email multiple people all at once without having to remember everybody's name and hopefully not forget to include them on a particular conversation. And there's an easy way to do exactly that. Now, of course, we can always involve our Google Workspace administrator and have them create a group at the administrative level, but sometimes that's not possible, or sometimes it just doesn't make sense to do so. The good news is you have the ability to create groups that you can email right in your Gmail inbox. Well, not quite, and I'll show you in just a sec. So for example, you can see I'm in the Gmail inbox here, and I can press the C shortcut to compose, and then I can type the name of a project. For example, I have this project here called the iPhone 14 project that I'm working on with Darren and Tim, and I can just simply click that. It will automatically populate Darren and Tim on the email. And then I can type in my subject as usual and whatever text of the email, and I can send that off. Okay, so that's easy to do, right? But you must be wondering, how did he get that iPhone 14 project that he can email everybody all at once? And the answer is in Google Contacts. So I flipped over to my Google Contacts now, and you can see here all of my contacts on my contacts list. And you'll see over on the left-hand side, labels, something called labels. And if I click into this label called iPhone 14 project, you'll see Darren and Tim. And that's exactly what makes it possible for me to email the iPhone 14 project, in other words, Darren and Tim, all at once, right from my Gmail inbox. Simple as that. Now, of course, I can create a new label if I wanted to. So for example, I can create a new label called Model Y project and go save. So I've got this new label now. And if I want to add members, then I can simply go to my contacts and I can either search for them and individually add them to a label, just like so. Or I can just check them on this list and hit the labels and add them to the label this way. I can check multiple people at once if I want. So I go apply, and there you have it. Elon's been added, but I meant to add Darren as well. So let me go back and let me just add Darren too. I think I forgot to click save when I edited his contact individually. So either way, now I've got Darren and Elon on this label. So if I flip back over to my Gmail inbox, hit the compose button again, I'll just make that a little bit bigger. I can now type in Model Y project, and there you have it right there. Model Y project, click on that. Darren and Elon's email address, are automatically populated, and then I can go and I continue creating the email and send it as usual. And off it goes. Oops, my little preview's in the way, so I'll just do it this way. Off it goes, there, for real this time. So it's as simple as that. Now, sometimes when you create a label and add people in your contacts list to the label, it won't show up immediately in Gmail like it did for me just now. Sometimes it requires a refresh of Gmail, and sometimes it may take a couple of hours to make its way over to Gmail. But rest assured, if you create a label in your Google Contacts and add contacts to that label, it will eventually show up and autocomplete in your Gmail inbox. So that's it. I hope that this helps you create more streamlined email workflows with the groups of people that you work with on your teams and projects.